Well, g'day and welcome to the worst start to a track day ever. Puncture. Right, just put the tyre on. Car seems to be driving fine, so we'll try drive up anyway and try to get my proper wheel repaired at a tyre repair shop before the day starts, hopefully. Here we go, man, we're going out for the first session. Finally got a passenger this time. Turn traction off.
Here we go.
Alright, here we go, we're on track. Down the gears. Oh man, this thing handles good, look at that. Look at this guy with his freaking TRD badge on the back of his Corolla wagon. Oh, there's traction control. Here we go, come on.
Lift out.
Yes it is. Up to 120 legally. Whoa, 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 whoa. What are you doing, retard? Right, I'm going for the overtake. Flipping the apex nicely. Out we go, third gear. My integral was a lot faster, that's for sure. But hey, it's pretty comfy.
Yeah, not bad.
Oh dear, big understeer. There he goes. Oh, we'll let him have it. Oh, that doesn't sound half bad. Oh! I'm pretty pleased with this though, man. It's not that fast, but the handling is good for a big car. Oh mate, the escape, look at it go!
He's hoofing it.
I will not be beaten by a Ford Escape. Take this guy, you ready? Into the inside line, just clip the apex, right to the outside of the track. Here we go, how fast can we go? Put the windows up.
Windows up, extra.
There, that's 155.
Hey!
Oh, here we go. Alright, you do you, man. Come on, mate, you overtook me, let's go. Let's go, eh? Let's go! Let's go! That was an awful line into this. Here we go, how fast can we go here? Here we go, 150. That's about all she wrote. Come on, come on. Yes, come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Oh, he's just got the power. Oh no, I've got a Corolla catching me up. This is concerning. Out of the corner. 6, 7, into third. We're catching up to the TVR here. Who needs V8 power when you've got a flippin' Honda Accord? Surely we can take the TVR.
Come on.
Come on, come on.
Yeah.
Come on! Right, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. Because I don't trust my brakes. Alright, Skyline wants to come past. Where's he going? Holy crap, that's fast. More power, baby! Yeah!
True, yeah.
Oh, here we go. Oh, we're at the rev limiter. Whoa, shoot, accident. That's an accident waiting to happen. That was close. Oh my goodness me, look at this guy. He's just lapped us. I reckon we can get this guy on the straight here. Because he's coming in way too wide. Missed the apex. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, yellow flag. I'm gonna let him pass on the straight. Turn in. And full power.
That felt fast.
That's good.
That was good.
I'm going to back off, let the Civic pass. Listen to that, Honda VTEC.
Oh!
Oh, his boot just came out. What the heck? Oh, look at my delightful hair.
Ricky crib. Damn, Ricky in the crib. Ricky in the crib. Levin. Oh, activator.
Green.
Jacinda. Thank you for now speeding up in the slow lane.
What is that? Zero emission.
Wow, look at you saving
In
the
theory, except that
Saving the planet.
electricity that you're filling your car with was produced by emissions. And just like that, once again, we have an empty car. I just dropped all the boys home, and all that's left to do now is say thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again next week. Bye.